Dune Buggy parts, finding and choosing the right parts. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to give you a quick overview on Dune Buggy parts and customization options based on this helpful guide. Body. Types of Dune Buggies. There are several types of dune buggies like beach buggies, sand rails, woods buggies, and rock crawlers. Each is designed for different terrains and driving styles. Essential parts. Some essential dune buggy parts include the chassis, engine, suspension, wheels, brakes, steering, and safety equipment. These core components allow the vehicle to handle off-road conditions. Performance upgrades. Popular performance upgrades include engine mods, suspension enhancements, and wider tires. These can improve power, handling, and traction for your dune buggy. Customization options. You can customize your dune buggy with a custom frame, paint job, seats, and other personalized touches. There are also many useful accessories like storage, navigation tools, and communication devices. Maintenance. Proper maintenance involves cleaning supplies, spare parts, and tool kits. This keeps your dune buggy running smoothly for years to come. Visit our website dunebuggyofficial.com for a full guide on parts, upgrades, and customization. The link is in the video description. Thanks for watching.